Hi, my name's Daniel Kramer, and I'm the director of PELLÉAS und Mélisande. PELLÉAS und Mélisande is very briefly the story of, I believe, a woman who's trapped in a cycle of trauma. And we kind of follow her through this dream of she ends one relationship, she begins another relationship, which is traumatic, and instantly falls in love with another man who happens to be the brother of her new husband. And you sort of watch this adulterous triangle unfold, but really through the lens of her trauma. I've inserted a lot of contemporary imagery, and between scenes I added my own storytelling. The whole transition language of the piece is based on Gluck's Rad, Wheel of Fortune. You could be a winner too. The entire goal of the production was to capture the ambiguous nature of the original. So I think some audience, you won't even know, have they even had sex? Are they in love? Does she love him? Is she capable of love? Is Pelléas capable of love? And the biggest revelation has been what sort of love Pelléas might give her. It's not necessarily healthy. What world has Pelléas grown up in?
Hörst du mich? Hörst du mich?
Okay, there's a story in this one. The story is so simple, but it's the images that I layer beside it, on top of it, behind it, between it, that you go away from a piece of theater from me, and 6 months later, you're still going, what was that weird image?
Don't throw your Barbie dolls in the ocean. There are more important things for them to do.